We spent centuries looking at the stars. We dreamed of advanced space travel. We thought we would be driving flying rocket packs by now. Instead, we built an expensive cage right above our heads. A giant automated metal cage. Every time a billionaire launches shiny internet boxes, the sky gets dumber. When a satellite dies, nobody calls a tow truck. We just leave it there. It floats at thousands of miles per hour. It waits to smash into other dead metal. This isn't regular trash. This is hypervelocity kinetic garbage. A single stray bolt travels faster than a sniper bullet. It punches clean through a space station like a hot knife through butter, or like a wild toddler running through a screen door. When two giant metal hulls collide, they don't stop. They shatter into a million supersonic knives. Scientists call this the Kessler syndrome. It is the ultimate cosmic chain reaction. One collision creates thousands of sharp pieces. Those pieces smash into 3 more satellites. Those satellites explode into millions of microscopic bullets. Eventually, the entire planet gets wrapped in a spinning shell, a violent blanket of old aluminum, dead batteries, and discarded rocket parts. It is like an angry swarm of metal bees traveling 20 times faster than a gunshot. If we hit the tipping point, the cage locks permanently. No more rocket launches. No more trips to the moon. If you try to launch a spaceship, it gets shredded into confetti instantly. Humanity is officially grounded. We are trapped on our own giant rock. We are forced to look at a sky filled with screaming garbage instead of beautiful stars. But it gets worse for your decaying attention span. You won't just lose the dream of going to Mars, you will lose your precious internet connection. The first things to get pulverized are the global communication networks.
The GPS navigation goes down. Your food delivery app stops working. The weather satellites explode. The satellite internet broadcasting your favorite mindless video feeds vanishes. Imagine navigating the world using a crinkly paper map, all because the orbital data grid got annihilated by an old titanium wrench from 1982. Imagine looking at the sky and seeing bright shooting stars. But wait, it is just a stream of burning space junk crashing back to Earth because the orbit got too unstable. We wanted to dominate the cosmic highway, but we ended up blocking our own driveway with broken space appliances. So now we sit here. We are stuck on a freezing planet that we fill with automated nonsense. We are staring at a ceiling of violent shrapnel. We used our highest technology to build a permanent roof over our heads. We are locked in. And the worst part is, nobody knows the admin password to clean up the backyard.